In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your VBA code work on another worksheet. So I have a simple barcode scanner thing here. Let's take this one. So if we copy this and place it in here, B2 is the one, and there you have the time that it's put in. Now, this works perfectly on the sheet 1, but let's make another sheet in here. Let's make it sheet 2. And let's make this a little bigger, and it's B2 is where we were scanning in before, so let's make that a little bigger here. So if we go and we copy this down to the next sheet, and then we go and let's copy this one, and let's scan it in the same one as we did before, and we get nothing. It doesn't work. So let me show you how you can make this code work on every sheet. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to delete sheet 2 to start with. To make a new sheet, we need to right click on sheet 1. We're going to select move and copy. And from the dialog box that comes up, we are going to select create a copy. Now what this does is it includes the code. If you right click on this and go view code, you can see that the code from the first one is included in the second sheet when we copy the sheet this way. Okay, so now let's go to the basic code. So here's your basic code for our little macro here. Now if you look at the code, it specifies sheet 1 many times through here. And sheet 1, sheet 1, sheet 1. And we don't want that to be sheet 1 anymore. We want it to be active sheet. So every time that you pull up a sheet, that this will run if the conditions are right. So let's select all the way down, all the way from here to the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to go Control F for the find, and now we're going to type in sheet 1 in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to replace this. And what we're going to replace it with is active sheet. So whatever sheet you're on, it will be happy. And so we say OK and replace all. And it's made 8 replacements. Okay, so now let's go back to our sheet. So this is the copy of the sheet 1. And you can see that because it says sheet 1 bracket present parenthesis 2. And so what we're going to do is we're going to copy this one, and we're going to put it in the barcode scanning box. And there it's done. It's given you the date and the time, and it's made this green. So that is how you copy the code from one sheet to the other and get it to work. Please subscribe.